Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform descriptive statistics using Excel. You can find more videos on SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, mathematical economics, and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now here I have the data or hypothetical data on marks of the students. So I have hypothetical data of 18 students and their marks out of 30. So now I want to compute the descriptive statistics of marks. So you go to data. Here you have the data tab. Click on it. And in data tab, we have the option of data analysis. So simply click on data analysis. In data analysis, we have descriptive statistics. So you click on descriptive statistics. This dialog box will appear on your screen. Now, first selection is input range. We need to tell the Excel that this is the range for which you calculate the descriptive statistics. So simply select the box and select the range. Now, in the first row, we have labels. We have given the name of the variable, and therefore you need to select the labels in the first row. Now, output options, where you want your output. So simply click on output range. If you select the output range, you can find the output on the same sheet. So select range and select any of the cells. So here I am selecting D1. Now, what do you want? Summary statistics. Here you have the option of summary statistics. So simply click on summary statistics and click OK. So you can see the result. So we have, let me insert the borders. So first we have mean, then median, mode, standard deviation, kurtosis, skewness. These two are used to find whether our data is normally distributed or not. Then we have range, the difference between maximum and minimum. Then we have the minimum value, maximum value, sum, and count. We also have another option to find the descriptive statistics. See here, you have this summation sign. Click on down arrow and you can find the functions. Sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum. So simply click on average. I'm sorry. Suppose you want to find the average of this selected range. So you select the range, go here and simply click on average. You will find the average 19.833, and here you see the answer. Both are same. Similarly, you go here, you have the maximum value, minimum value. And if you click on more functions, you will find the useful functions. So if you have if function, sum, average, standard deviation, count, maximum. So this is how we compute the descriptive statistics in Excel. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.